Hey guys, this is your boy Flo, and today we'll be installing our dry carbon B8.5 S5 fenders. This is the first of its kind. It's gonna be beautiful. Our brand new dry carbon fender for the B8.5 S5 is literally impeccable. The weaves are flawless, it's super lightweight, and these vents just look so aggressive. Now we just finished installing the dry carbon fenders for the B8.5 S5. I mean, look at this lining, it's super flush. Oh my God, even here, it's absolutely spot on. This is beautiful, and you should see this pattern, it's flawless.